students, let's start chapter 9 application of trigonometry exercise 9.1 question number 7. From a point on the ground, there was a point on the ground, this is a ground level. So A is a point on the ground. From a point A, the angle of elevation, it means the line of sight is upward, of the bottom and top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building. So there is a 20-meter high building. This C to B is a building. On this building, one transmission tower is there. So B to D is a transmission tower. So from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of this transmission tower. So one elevation on the bottom of the transmission tower, B at B point, and the second elevation at the top of the transmission tower, means at the point D, are 45 and 60 degree. So at bottom the angle formed as 45, the first angle formed at bottom, angle of elevation is 45, and this line of sight and horizontal level form one angle with the top of the transmission tower, that is 60 degree. So here there is a corner C, because this is a building and ground level, here there is an angle of 90 degree. So here there are two right angle triangles. First is BCA, in which C is 90 and this corner A is 45. And the second right angle triangle is DCA, in which again this corner is 90 degree and this angle is given angle as 60 degree. What we have to find? We have to find the height of this star. We have to find the height of BD. So how can we find BD? We can find BD, but BD is not a side of a right angle triangle. So when we check the two right angle triangle, we can find CD, because CD is a side of a right angle triangle. Second time we can find BC. So from CD we can subtract BC and we are easily able to get BD. So what is BD? BD is the height of the tower. So this we have to find. Now let us find CD first. Now CD is the side of which right angle triangle? Already we discussed CD is a side of right angle triangle ACD. Angle C is 90. And here they have used ACD angle 60 with the help of perpendicular, but the whole perpendicular is not given to us, so we can take let BD is equal to H. Let BD is equal to H. Then what is C to D? The value of CD is 20 plus H. Because 20 is the height of the building and H is the transmission tower, the total is 20 plus H. So we can apply a formula of tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to perpendicular CD upon base. Tan 60 is root 3. CD is 20 plus H upon AC. Cross multiply. Now what is AC? AC is 20 plus H upon root 3. Now why we have to find AC? Because AC is the common side in both the triangle. So we can find this side with the help of one triangle and we can equate in second. Now let us check in second triangle. In triangle BCA, again angle C is 90. Now here perpendicular is given. BC is perpendicular. We can find easily AC. Now tan 45 is perpendicular upon base. Tan 45 the value is 1. BC is 20 upon AC. So when we cross multiply, we got AC is equal to 20 meter. Now both are the values of AC. It means we can write the value of AC means 20 is equal to 20 plus h upon root 3. Now do calculation by cross multiplication. 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus h. Now how can we find h? 20 root 3 minus 20. Take 20 common. What is left in the bracket? That is root 3 minus 1 meter. So our target is to find h only. What is h? H is the height of the transmission tower. Now here we got h is equal to 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. Now this is our answer. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, share and press on bell icon. Let's meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.